Welcome back. My name is Jim. We're talking about Grayscale and crypto today, and on this video, I just came to realize something. When you drink black coffee, look here. Do you know you really don't need a spoon? I just came to realize that. I was reaching for a spoon. It's like, why am I going to mix it? It's already mixed. It's already black. Unless I put sugar in it, you don't need a spoon. Okay, just a little. But anyways, Grayscale. Let's talk about Grayscale a little bit more. Grayscale, I was watching one of Ethan's. Ethan made a video late last night talking about Khemes and blah 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 blah. He went on for like 2 hours. He does these live streams, and I'm halfway asleep, and the guy's yelling and screaming sometimes. We love Khemes, and he's just got a hard head, and he's never gonna understand. He's one of those people, and they're all up here swimming. I want to make a drawing. Where's my little dog? He kind of kept me awake last night. Every 2 hours, I gotta take him outside. He looks better though. He still has that diarrhea. I was gonna take him to the vet, but he's improving, and I just feed him a little bit, and he's doing better. But still, he's got a little loose stuff going on. So, anyways, that's another subject. Sorry about that. For getting off the subject, but the Grayscale Trust, how I see him is like, you see this rubber band. Okay, you buy it, and then you wait for it to stretch, and it's all the way at the bottom. It goes up a little bit. It goes up at the bottom, and Grayscale is a great thing if you want exposure for long term. I certainly want to keep a little bit of my Grayscale stuff without selling it, because when you sell it, you gotta pay taxes. And I tend to think that over 20 years or so, 15 years, 10 years, 5 years, Grayscale may be doing really good, especially if we turn into a crypto economy, not economy, but basically not a fiat currency type economy. And it's possible. Impossible? No, because I also thought at one time that the internet was going to be a fad, and I never got into it until everybody else was in the internet, and then I'm still with my modem and my phone. I was wrong. But things like this happen. Every so often something new comes. You got to shift. You got to roll with the punches, So we got a rubber band, and Grayscale, the way I'm investing, I'm not telling you how to do it, and I'm into short-term investment basically. Probably like 75% is just short-term for near term. Long-term, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold maybe about 25% because I do believe in the trust. And I believe that they can go a long way and increase exponentially sooner or later. And on the short-term side of it, and what I mean short-term, every 5 years, I'm not talking about the high-yield dividends and the people trading up here, the little fish swimming up here, by getting the little bugs that fall into the lake. It's like a rubber band. My method, my way. Sooner or later, it's gonna go up exponentially. Which way am I going? I'm backwards. Huh? Okay, it's gonna go up this way. No, this way. Yeah, this way. Because I'm backwards. It's not a mirror. Anyways, it's gonna go like this. And then you're gonna want to start probably selling if you want to sell. I'm gonna start selling my 75% when I see right about here. I'm gonna start selling it little by little, not all at once, but I'm gonna keep watching the markets every at least every couple of days just to see where things are. Something you got to check. You don't want to be left out. Something like GXLM, it kind of did that a little bit, and even the natives, it did that, and now it's kind of just going back to what it was. The remainder, the other 25%, I'm just gonna let that Grayscale just keep going. Maybe it goes up quite a bit, but maybe it starts going down, and eventually it might start going up little by little. So it's time. Over time, I want to take advantage of the big gain rather than waiting until I'm 80 years old on if they do what they're supposed to do. But anyways, that's what I want to show, that it's just like a rubber band. You stretch it and then bang, it just you want to catch it before it collapses. Basically, it's what I'm saying. Let's check it out. The market's just like my account went up like 5,000 yesterday. Something like 25%. Okay, we're back. So anyways, the markets were, it went up $5,000, my account. And today it went down 2,500. So let's see what's going on. This is the, check out Ethan Invest. Okay, check out his, I just turned it on. Last night I couldn't sleep, so I turned on the thing, and it just went on and on. Interesting thing about Khemes and everything that he does. I've talked about him several times also here. Guy doesn't make sense. Sorry, but he doesn't. And I'm sorry to say, but Tesla Changed My Life is in the same boat. You got these guys all the way up here. I'm going to make a drawing of something, so what I can show you how traders are. The traders, the scalpers, they're all the way at the top. They're going after the little lines that go up and down, right? When it crashes or when it goes up, they, I'm a millionaire. So they start investing more, and they keep losing. Boom, that's how the markets are. They go up and down. So the mid traders are still okay. The scalpers, they're all, most of them committed suicide. So now you got the mid people. And then if the stock market is bad enough, you are left with the bottom, the people at the bottom. These are the ones that pick up everything that, all the waste that's gone. And that waste is gold. It's valuable. The markets, not just the stock market, any market, it eats up the people that are desperate up here. These are Khemes. I'm sorry to say this, but Tesla Changed My Life up here. They're grabbing for that 20,000 a week, and they're sooner or later it's gonna eat them up. I had to do a portfolio for them of what they should be into, but I don't think I will. Maybe I will, just to kind of show them how a good portfolio should perform. Look, even if you earn, look at that Walmart. Freaking, where's my account? Look at Walmart. Oh my gosh, I'm down 3,700 now. I don't even want to see this. The humanity. Okay, let's look at Walmart. This is 60% in the last year and a half. I did sell some, and I did buy some, so it's not really accurate. But this is a company that's just, it keeps giving, it keeps giving. And it might have faced some kind of a problem with the Chinese products that coming into the stores and so forth, but long term, it's a great investment. Strategy. Forget this. Forget this one. If once it goes up a little bit more, I might just get rid of it because even though it's not gone 58%, it goes up as Bitcoin goes up. So it's like Bitcoin has probably run out of. It's kind of running out of fuel a little bit, so to speak, for this cycle. If we have a cycle, we may not have a cycle. It might just keep going up. Who's to say? But it's only 5 shares, so it's like no big deal. If it goes up, I'll keep it until the next time around, another 5 years or so. I would rather put it into Walmart, which Walmart is you gain. I don't know, 30% a year, about, maybe even more. The gain is, if you look at it, it's the first year, you gain 30%. Second year, the dividend is reinvested. All the dividends are reinvested, the growth. And it's almost like having, I don't know, about maybe, instead of 30% growth, you might start getting, it might be like 45% the second year. 45%, okay? Now we're like into clip and VOO and that kind of stuff. The third year, your increase is even more, perhaps maybe about 65, 70%. So if you're getting 30%, if you're getting, probably the books may show less. I don't know what it is, the yield on it, but the growth on it is positive. I mean, you see it. You see it. My portfolio is about 1.5 years old, and so the gain that I see is about 30%. The growth, not just the dividend, but the growth. I know this is not Grayscale, but this is some of you have to learn stuff like this because you're stupid. Okay. All right. The books may say, yeah, Walmart is going up, I don't know, 10% a year. I don't know what the books say. The dividend, it may be like 6% or so, but the growth is hidden. It's not published anywhere. I'm sure that it's published someplace, but it's not published in the when you go buy the stock. You see the dividend. It's only 5%. It's like, I don't want to. I'm gonna get Coney or whatever, Tesla. But the real growth is there. There it is. I mean, I'm showing you 30%. Second year is probably going to be about 45% or so. I don't have the math. Maybe you guys with the calculators can figure it out. But you're not getting that 7%. You're getting quite a lot more. Especially in this company, it's a phenomenal. It's one of the things that you should have. Hey, not financial advice, but it should be. And then again, you don't want to put everything on Walmart, but then again, it's like, why not? If I'm going to be getting 30%, and the second year is going to be higher, the third year is going to be higher, and then I'm just going to be, exponentially going up, hyperbolically. How many years is it going to take until I'm hyperbolic and, it's rising like crazy, maybe 6-7 years? Just like the wealth generator that I talk to you guys about all the time. And yeah, nothing is, all the Grayscale stuff is red. What can I say? It's just a big red thing. It's 78,000. Everything that was gained is no good. Bitcoin Cash, kind of even a little bit. Litecoin is kind of down. That's it. There's really nothing to. There's nothing too bad. It was a beautiful rise. I don't understand it too much. What really happened yesterday? I mean, all the markets were just up. Let's look at gold real quick since we're here. Gold is it's up 0.7, almost 1%. It continues going up. Let's see. Oh, it's refreshing. Okay. Ooh, look at, wow, 2.56%, guys. 2.45, 2.5%. Wow, for gold, that's a lot. That's a big jump. Look at this jump compared to everything here. This is big. Yeah, you can see it. Gold. Wow. Jeez. And all the commodities are red, but gold. Figure that one out. The dynamics. What's really going on? All the Grayscale is in the red. The worst one is Stellar Lumens, 22% down. Boy. What are you going to do? All the AIs are down. The only winner is gold. So that's what's going on this morning, and I just wanted to show you that real quick. Beautiful gain yesterday, but it looks like we're losing it pretty quick. It might get better in the afternoon, though. You know, things may kind of stabilize. Who's to say? All right, guys. I'm in the pharmacy section of the Grayscale Castle. That's what I'll call it, Grayscale Castle. It's a little room off to the side of the grand entrance over here. All right, guys. Have a good day, and I'm gonna make a couple of other videos later on. Trying to explain that thing, you know, with the people up here, you know, the crazy people, you know, these are the new people. They come here. Sorry, but Tesla changed my life. Sorry, you're new. You're gonna lose it unless you do something drastic. Unless you get back to your senses. It's not always. You're not always gonna win. You're gonna win once. Take advantage of it. Do something with it, and don't be too greedy. Be greedy, yeah, it's okay, but don't be too greedy. Don't put everything on the same thing, because it's gonna come down, and when it comes down, you're gonna be. Then again, Tesla may be a long-term hold for a long time. You know, if he's doing things right, Elon, if he does the things right. It might be a great thing. Still, the cars, I think, they're the ugliest thing that there are, but sorry, but they're terrible. I like cars from the 60s. So, okay. Take care, guys. I got nothing against anyone. I don't wish anything bad on anyone. I just wish everybody to have enough abundance. Then basically, that's it. Okay.